Hey there, everybody. I'm Abdullah Magdoob, and this is Ali Magdoob, and welcome to Vlogs with Cousins.
This is a vlogging channel. We will be making 1 to 2 vlogs a week.
Unless, on special occasions, we will be making 3 vlogs that week.
We are going to introduce you to our husky.
Let's go!
And here is our husky.
And we are going to be playing with him for a little bit. And by the way, his name is Pegasus.
Let's get it onto the camera. Come here, here. Hey, now that's a good boy.
That's a good boy. There's Pegasus. Can you see him properly? I'll just get out. And there's Pegasus, our beautiful dog.
Woohoo! Let's go. Come on, Pegasus.
He likes the chair, doesn't he?
Pegasus. Come here.
Throw the ball. Make him look at the ball and throw it.
Look. Fetch. Oh, no.
Just make him look.
Fetch. Yeah. Yeah. Give me the ball. Hey. Give me the ball. You gonna chew it? You gonna chew it? Give me the ball. Just give me the ball, man. Hey. Give me the ball. Who's there? I took the ball. I finally took the ball. Hey, look here. Fetch. Whoa. That was one strong dog. Okay. Want to rest? Let's rest for a little. Okay. Get up. Just show them Pegasus for a while. He's not going to move.
I need to be in the shadows. Look, there's Pegasus. Do.
Come on, Pegasus. You want to play again? You want to play? Here, sniff it. Go get it. Whoa.
Let go of his leash.
Hey.
Let go of his leash.
He's gonna run away.
Let go of his leash.
Why?
No, I mean when he's gonna go that way, stop him.
Okay.
Yeah, he looks tired.
Totally tired.
You see him in there, guys? Yep, he's in there.
Now that's a good dog. Come closer, man.
Yeah, I mean he is a dog. No, I mean the sun kind of blocks the camera, but yeah, sure.
He's a good dog.
Yeah, he's a good dog, isn't he?
To the audience.
What do you think, guys? Comment down below.
Okay, let's go. Let's run for a minute. Right?
Pull his leash. He might get up if you think he won't.
Run, please. Please run.
You guys can see Pegasus, right?
Come on. Get up. Get up, you big boy.
You see, if I try to get in more, yep, he just took the ball out of his chin.
Okay. Come here.
Oh yeah, and Pegasus is gutting back up.
Yeah.
There's Pegasus. There.
I'm gonna throw it out of the
There they are.
Whoa.
Whoa! Yeah, it's a good boy. And there's Pegasus. And look, why is he hiding in the shade? Is he tired?
I don't know.
You guys, I think you guys can see him. I'm not sure. What do you think?
Yeah, me neither. I don't think you can see it.
There's our playful dog, Pegasus. Hey, Pegasus, look up here, boy. Look up here, boy. Yeah. Do you think we should let him rest and
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Rest here, boy.
So guys, here we are after we just gave Pegasus a little break, and it looks like he really does want to walk, so that's why we took him out for a walk, obviously. So right now, yeah, he actually loves this place. I mean, if you could just look, it's all of that. You see, he lives somewhere that is amazing. Okay, and he's going pretty crazy. I mean, he loves and loves and loves to just run around. Doesn't he?
Yeah.
Come on, man. Come on, doggy. Get his leash out from under his leg. Try to. Pegasus, here, boy.
Hey, look. Come on. Yay.
Yeah, so you guys see. There's Pegasus. And he just loves to smell flowers.
That's not a flower. That's some other dog's business.
Oh, yeah, that is. Come on, Pegasus.
Hey, come on. Let's go.
Come on. So, guys, Pegasus loves to go out for a walk. And, I mean, we should actually take him out for a walk every day, but
Yeah,
we sometimes don't. So that's the thing we might want to work on. Pegasus! Pegasus!
Come on, dude. You can do it. Come on. Come over here. Let's go.
Oh, look, butterfly! Oh, look! And Pegasus is now going back on the grass. Man, he goes crazy in grass.
Come on. Come on.
Come on, run with him.
Come on.
Look at his bushy little tail and his bushy little butt. And look at him, he looks tired, but happy. And Pegasus sticking his tongue out.
Come on.
Be careful, don't fall. Look, there's Pegasus. Now, and he looks pretty tired. Yeah, come on. Come on, Pegasus. Come on, boy. Now, it seems like he's not tired.
Nope.
Yeah, let us rest for a little bit. Where is he? There he is.
Whoa, he's gonna put a lot more.
Okay, what is going on over there? Do you guys see that? There's just a bunch and a bunch and a bunch of water. Here, I'm going to try to get
Maybe
out.
it's a waterfall. Something.
No. Here, guys, just see that? There's a bunch and a bunch and a bunch of water coming down these stairs. I think it's just the gardener. But he's using way too many water. Okay, Pegasus, come on, let's go home.
Come here. No, you won't. Don't get to the water. Okay, wanna go here on the pavements?
Yeah, he does. He likes bathing, doesn't he? He also likes grass. I feel like I already said that. Come on, boy. Look at Ali. He's kind of sweating. And look at me. I'm sweating so hard. I mean, this is kind of usual because we're down here in Egypt right now, but still, it's a lot of sweat.
Come on.
Pegasus, you love it here, don't you?
Hey, come back. Gosh. He is sure strong guy.
Yeah, he is. Well, there are a lot of flies here. Let's get a picture of Pegasus right there. Let's get a picture of Ali.
Hey.
Yeah, come on.
And that is our dog.
Okay, guys, I know this is coming to the end of our video, but I just want to say that I'm going to be going go-karting tomorrow, and I just wanted to know that I'm going to be filming everything. So, keep hanging.
And smash that like button and subscribe.
Stay tuned for more. Bam.